What's up, guys? Welcome back to another short, and today I'm going to be showing you how to tune your brakes on your mini bike. So, I have the Baja DB30 doodlebug right there, and I'm just going to tune my brakes here. So you're going to want to get one of these things, don't know what it's called, but then you have a bolt here. So you're going to have to loosen this bolt first, which I already did. And then you twist, and that is how, and then there's a plate back there, if you can see right there, that'll move. So you can adjust it. Let's see. See if I can turn it around quick. So we're gonna see how it works. Write down in the comments how many pulls you think. 3, 2, 1. 1. And right here, you're gonna want to make sure this is all the way tightened. That's gonna help. Then I like to have it about medium squeeze. And you just go. And squeeze. And it stops almost instant. So that's how you tune your brakes. Hope this helps. And peace out.